In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right Hana app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so for you to download the right Hana app, all you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store on your Android smartphone and then go and search for your app through this search app here. So if you can't see this bar, then go ahead and tap on search here, and here enter Hana and then search using this option, and you should see now we have Hana live and video chat app is here. This app is from Viola Luck, and at the time of recording this, it has over 9,000 reviews with a star rating of 4.6. The average size of this app is 38 MBs, and it has over 1 million downloads. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you are on the right app. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download Hana app, then install it on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, now you can proceed and open it here, or if you go back to your apps, you should be able to see your Hana app here. You can now launch it from here. So that's how you can download the right Hana app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.